Welcome. Welcome to Yoga Nidra. Find a comfortable place to lie down, somewhere quiet, somewhere you will not be disturbed. Lie on your back. Let your arms rest gently by your sides. Palms facing softly upward. Let your legs relax naturally apart. Make sure you are warm and comfortable. During this practice, simply listen. You do not need to do anything. Simply receive. Gently allow your eyes to close and keep them closed. Become aware of your body lying down. Feel the weight of your body. Sinking softly into the earth below you. Now take a slow, deep breath in. Fill the lungs gently and breathe out. Let go. Again, breathe in slowly. Feel the belly rise. And breathe out completely. Allow the breath to find its own rhythm now. Natural, easy, effortless. Feel the body becoming heavier, more still. The mind beginning to quiet. Now bring a short, positive intention to mind. Perhaps I am calm and at peace. I am safe. I am loved. I am whole. Or choose your own quiet intention. Feel it in your heart. Now repeat it gently 3 times. Let it settle deep within you. Allow the breath to come and go naturally. I will guide your awareness through the body. Simply notice each part and let it relax. Right thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth little finger. Palm of the right hand, back of the hand. Right wrist, forearm, elbow. Upper arm, right shoulder, armpit. Right side of the chest, right waist, right hip. Right thigh, right knee, right calf. Right ankle, right heel, sole of the foot. Right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth little toe. Left thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth little finger. Palm of the left hand, back of the hand. Left wrist, forearm, elbow. Upper arm, left shoulder, armpit. Left side of the chest, left waist, left hip. Left thigh, left knee, left calf. Left ankle, left heel, sole of the foot. Left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth little toe. Back of the head, back of the neck. Right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade. The full length of the spine. Right buttock, left buttock. The whole of the back, relaxing. Top of the head, forehead. Right eyebrow, left eyebrow. The space between the eyebrows. Right eye, left eye. Right nostril, left nostril. Right cheek, left cheek. upper lip, lower lip, chin, jaw, throat, the whole face relaxing. The whole right leg, the whole left leg, the whole right arm, the whole left arm, the whole body completely relaxed, the whole body free. On your next breath out, imagine a warm wave of relaxation flowing gently from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. As you breathe in, feel fresh peace rising slowly, filling every cell. The body is still. The mind is quiet. Simply rest. There is nothing to do. Nowhere to be. Simply be. Slowly begin to deepen the breath. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Slowly roll your head from side to side. Take a long, deep breath in and let it go. Gently bring your intention back to mind one final time. feel it in your whole body. When you are ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Take your time, and when you feel ready, softly open your eyes. Namaste.